This is a machine that continuously produces water, drinking water. It is capable of extracting moisture from extremely dry air through nanofiltration and UVC sterilization systems. It allows you to drink clean, fresh water freely, enables scalable, portable, clean water production unrestricted by water sources. Why would we develop it? In response to water scarcity and severe pollution, we drew inspiration from desert beetles and cacti to develop this air-to-water dispenser, drinking water. It can yield up to 19 liters per day, and it also offers optional mineral-rich filter cartridges. You can choose the filter cartridge that suits your needs, allowing you to replenish minerals in a timely manner, ensuring the well-being of you and your family's health. With just one pipe, any water source becomes mineral-rich drinking water. In summer, stay cool with 2 minutes of fast chilling for icy refreshment. It can also do air purification and even dehumidification to keep your home clean and fresh. No expertise is needed, quick and easy to replace it yourself. Comes with a solar power system for use anywhere. Drink mineral-rich water anytime, anywhere. Drinking water, the essential water source generator for every household.